Childers, a sleepy town 30 minutes drive west from the coast. Truck drivers are familiar with the Bruce Highway that passes right through it. I, however, was becoming familiar with the sporadic bursts of heavy rainfall. The frogs and toads seemed to like it though. They would come out in full force whenever the heavens opened. Australia Day soon arrived, and the local pub had it all going on. Of course, whenever there's an event like this, Mother Earth likes to throw a spanner in the works.